It's over. Hello and welcome on my YouTube channel. Why it's over? I don't continue the video series about the T41 SDT or T41-EP SDT DIY Transceiver, which you see here. The reason is why I will not further continue with the series is one. It's a little bit too big for my shack. Maybe you see my shack, or this table is not really my shack. I'm more portable, so I don't really have a shack, and so this transceiver is a little bit too big and too heavy for me. That's the first reason. Someone say, why you build a transceiver like this big boy and don't use it and sell it? It was for me more like a project, and also for you, my viewers, and to get also the community of ham people aware of this very wonderful DIY transceiver. And I really say thank you, Al and Jack, for developing this transceiver. And I think you will also, if it get more younger people to build this stuff, you will get you did something very great to get people into this hobby, because it uses modern technology as DIY transceivers. And yeah, there are some also available that use microcontrollers like the true SDX, but they are smaller, and also some CV or digital base, and also the wonderful kit through QRP Labs. But QRP Labs is very challenging to solder, and not from my experience. And I have the thing, I am also cursed in regards to PA building. I will say later why. Yep, and I say also thank you to Oliver and Bill, who supports also this wonderful project, and all others of the community of the T41-EP, which did a great job. And I think my contribution is a little because I started with this video series. Sorry that I not will further continue with the calibrations. So that is my plan for all videos. Yeah, the next thing which will need to be done would be the frequency calibration. After you finished everything in the case, then will come the receive IQ calibration, which you can do completely with the transceiver itself. After this, there will be the transmit calibration in a further firmware version, which this book is also based on. You should do the CV power calibration, but the new firmware has no option for CV power calibration. It has only IQ calibration receive and IQ calibration transmit. And so that would be the next videos if I continued with the series. And after this calibration, there would be the power calibration for CW and SSB. And after those calibrations, there would be the SVR and power calibrations, or yeah, the power measurement calibration is then it would be complete. But I will not continue. And where I sitting here in Europe, in Germany, with luck I get the time code sending shortwave radio from Russia with luck. And normally here in Europe, depending where you're sitting, you need a frequency normal, as stated in the book, or like a rubidium frequency normal. I got from Ham, which died. He had a shop many years ago, and we are now getting rid of the whole storage there. One of them, some of you may know him. It was Funktechnik Radau. This shop was close 10 years ago and he died a few weeks ago. And so we are getting rid of the storage there and everything which is in. If you're looking for transceiver, forget it. There are no transceivers anymore. There are a bunch of different connectors and adapters, resistors, conductors, logic ICs, LEDs, switches, buttons, I think also some pin headers and a lot of electronic stuff, and also computer stuff, and also some hardware for vintage computing, like an old IBM clone. I think it's a clone of a 5150 or something. Yeah, that's the little side quest and the reasons why I'm selling this transceiver. Or it probably is on sale when this video goes online. The link I will put down in the video description to the groups, IO group, where you can see more information about it, and you can send me a direct message via groups IO. And for your information, I will ship it only inside the European Union and also Switzerland, because Switzerland, as I live near the Swiss border, I know how to bring it to Switzerland, but I don't tell you how. Those who live here, they know how. Yeah, and that's for the clarification on when this video goes on. It could be that it is already sold. And why I'm selling it. First thing, 20 meter low pass filter is not working. Maybe you saw it already in the video about the low pass filter. I will put you in the info card the whole playlist of the build that you can go through. Listen, this video will be probably the last video in this playlist. So it's biting in the ass, but that's another video thing. And the second one is the PA does not transmit the power how it should be, and I winded the turrets the transformers a second and a third time, it's still not working. The transistors are fine, I checked it. Bias is fine. Nearly every test point is fine in regards to the DC line. Only the AC line seems to have a problem, which means something with the transformer. I don't know, and for those of you who build transceivers, you can maybe write down in the comments or if the transformers should be laid flat on the PCB or if there should be a small space on the PCB. I have always a small space between the transformers and the PCB, and I don't know if this could be the issue. That's also why I'm selling this transceiver to someone who has more experience with this and can maybe use it. And also in regards to space, because my idea was to build a small transceiver, or my idea is to build a small transceiver in the size of an aircraft K2 with this with SDR technology, which is inside here. Maybe I said it already a little bit further video, but it's a one take and it's more or less spontaneous. Then sorry for repeating, and maybe I said already, but sorry for my German viewers, this video will be in English because I have also international audience in regards to this build, and that's the reason why it is in English. And also to say thank you to Al and Jack and all other people who are involved in this wonderful project. Maybe I said it already. Yep, and so it's time to say goodbye to this transceiver. And in regards to pay, I'm thinking I'm cursed in regards to this, but that's another story. So if you like this video, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. I give you a little bit an outlook for the next videos. The next videos on this channel probably will be parks on the air activations. There have I one special in mind. You will see. And then I will be also on the ham radio in Friedrichshafen this year on the flea market, and if you like and if you are there, you can drop by. And I'm selling together with another ham a lot of stuff from silent keys, and he has the ability that electronics like for other people, cats and dogs, come to him. He has the issue that if he get rid of electronics, it comes in again through the door. Yep, and there will be some stuff also from another silent key. And I have also the idea to build the 6402 computer from Ben Eater. Maybe I do videos about it. You can write down in the comments if you like videos about this retro computing build. Yep, so and then see you in the next video, which is coming up on his channel. See you next time. Bye.